Hey everyone, welcome to Riff Radar. This is an app made to organize local music scene.
To use our app, new users must set up an account, but we also offer a guest option with limited features. During sign up, everyone provides basic details such as name, email, and password and chooses a user category. Bands and venues must provide additional information like bands provide address and genre while venues provide address and audience capacity. We ensure security with an email verification process. After filling out the form, users receive a one time password via email to confirm that they are not robots. They can request this OTP again if necessary. Once verified, the sign up button becomes active, allowing users to create their account. For login, we check the email format and require the password to be the same as during registration, adhering to strict criteria including length and character requirements. Successfully entering these details grants access to the account.
Alright, this is the guest view for Riff Radar. It shows a lot of the core functionality of the app. Right now our device is set to New York, so we're seeing New York bands. If we change our device to Ames, we're going to see different bands in Iowa, both user-created and Ticketmaster. So these are the examples of the user-created ones. If we go onto one, we can see all the different specifics, including bands that are going to be playing at the concert. We can hear a preview of the song from Spotify, as well as their location. And we can also get directions to the concert by clicking the directions button. This will take us to Google Maps, and it will give us a route from our device's location, which, since we're set in New York right now, you'll see a route across the country.
Okay, so currently we're logged in as an attendee user named Caden, and some of the features that this user has access to is like clicking on a concert, and they can add this concert to their favorites. Like concerts will show up in the favorite concerts page where your user can see all of their like concerts. Also, a user can click on a concert and do things like add reviews or read reviews from other users. So you can see on that page that's reviews other users have left. And if you click on the feedback page, you can leave a review of your own. Back on the main screen, if you scroll down a little bit, we can see our Ticketmaster generated concerts that use our API. So if you click on one of these, it'll bring you to the Ticketmaster website where you can buy tickets through them. This is just to add more concerts to our app because we don't need every concert to be generated by a band user. Another feature that an attendee user has access to is the groups feature. So if you go to the top and you click the groups icon, a user can do things like create a group, join a group, chat with group, and delete their group. So if you create a group, you can pick your group name, group password, and group bio. And then once you've joined that group, you can also chat with other users in that group and just kind of communicate with people who maybe you want to go to a concert with, or just figure out where people are at the concert with you. So yeah, if you click in there, it'll show you the groups that you're in, and then if you click on each individual group, you can see all the previous chats that people have talked about, or you can create a new chat for other people to see that'll show your username.
In our app, attendees can purchase tickets for non-Ticketmaster concerts directly. After logging in and choosing a concert, they can add tickets to their cart from the concert's detail page. By default, one ticket is added, but users can adjust the quantity up to a maximum of 10 per transaction. Once tickets are in the cart, users provide billing details and can review an order summary, including itemized charges for subtotal, handling, tax, and total amount. Sales tax varies by state and updates once a state is selected. Next, users proceed to the payment gateway to enter their credit card details: card number, name on the card, expiry date, and security code, which is of 3 digits or 4 digits for MX cards. After payment, an order confirmation is displayed and emailed to the user.
Right now we're logged in as the band State Parks, and we can see our main feed of venues. So let's click on our profile. We can go to this and we can change our password, change email, edit profile, log out, all of this. So let's add our profile, change our genre from jazz to rock. If we update that, our new genre is rock. And so if we go back out, we can still see our main feed. And if we switch over to a venue, we can see our profile. And if we go back, we can see the venue, or not the venues, the bands. And so if we want to chat with State Parks, our other account, we click on this. We can go to here. We can search them up too if we have too many bands. So we'll click on this. We'll see our previous chat history. And if we say, hey, we can go back to State Parks, go to our chat and with Jack Trice, and we can see they said, hey. And then if we say, what's up, it'll send to the other one, and it'll save that conversation. And now if we want to create a concert using Jack Trice, we can add an image, add the title, add the band, State Parks if they want to perform, add the date. What type of concert it is, the price, let's say it's 100. So if we want to post that, we can go to our calendar and we can see the new concert that we just created has the band State Parks in here.
All the users upon login have an option to reset password. They can change their password by going to their profile. As a security measure, we have implemented a two-step verification that sends an one-time password to the email linked with the Riff Radar account. Once they enter their email, they get their OTP password. And when they plug in the OTP to the designated field, they will be able to reset their password. We also have multiple checks for the password validation to meet the password policy to make it a strong one. Once they hit reset, they will have successfully reset their password. Admins, just like regular users, must log in. Once logged in, they view statistics such as attendee, band, and venue numbers along with registered concerts on the dashboard. Admins also access finance sheets detailing ticket sales, earnings, number of orders, and average tickets per order. They can view list of attendee, band, and venue emails and access advanced features like adding genres or deleting users and concerts. The admin home screen offers 3 buttons for attendee, band, and venue views, allowing admins to tailor their interactions based on user category. This ensures efficient management and enhanced user experience.